What if my income changes after filing Chapter 7? Have you ever wondered what happens if your income changes after you file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy? It's a common concern, and understanding the implications can help you navigate this process more smoothly. When you file for Chapter 7, your eligibility is based on your financial situation at that time, particularly your income. This is assessed through a means test, which compares your average income over the 6 months before filing to the median income in your state. If your income increases after you have filed, here's what you need to know. Generally, an increase in income does not affect your Chapter 7 case. The focus is on your financial circumstances at the time of filing. The bankruptcy trustee typically does not have a claim over income earned after the filing date, unless that income is related to property of the bankruptcy estate. This means if you earn money from assets that were part of your estate at filing, that could be a different story. However, there are exceptions. If the increased income comes from sources tied to the estate, or if it was income you were entitled to at the time of filing but received later, it could be considered part of the bankruptcy estate. In such cases, the trustee might have an interest in that income, and you may need to report it. Now, if your income rises significantly after filing, especially early in the process, it could raise questions about your eligibility for Chapter 7. In some situations, you might be advised to convert your case to Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which involves a repayment plan based on your current income. This is something to keep in mind if your financial situation changes dramatically. While Chapter 7 does not usually requiring you to report income changes after filing, honesty is key. Being transparent with the court and trustee is essential. If you fail to disclose relevant income or assets, it could lead to serious consequences, including dismissal of your case. If you find yourself in a new job after filing, the timing and amount of your income increase matter. A new job with a higher salary does not automatically change your case. However, if your income now exceeds the means test limits, it could affect your eligibility or the trustee's decisions. In summary, after filing for Chapter 7, an increase in income typically does not change your bankruptcy discharge or requiring changes to your case, as long as the income is earned post-filing and unrelated to estate assets. However, significant income increases might prompt a review of your eligibility or a conversion to Chapter 13. Consulting with a bankruptcy attorney if your income changes, notably during your Chapter 7 process, is a wise step to understand your obligations and options.